I had a subscriber request a green and gold look. This is what I came up with. I primed my eyelids with concealer for an even base. Starting with a cool brown, just to give the green something to blend off of. This is going to be a halo eye, so the inner and outer corner are the same color and you put a pop of another color on the center of the lid. Using a Christmas tree green, because of course I have to, I am dramatic. I'm using that gold cream eyeshadow again. It was so shiny, I had to. You don't need to set the cream shadow. I just wanted to add more gold to help blend the edges. Using this to highlight and soften any harsh lines. Now just repeat it on the other eye. If I'm not filming, I go back and forth from eye to eye with each step. It's a little quicker, but if I'm doing a new look, I do it on one eye at a time. Cleaning up fallout eyeshadow and sharpening that edge. Using a hydrating primer today. With it being so cold, I need the moisture. Mixing concealers to get the right shade, concealing my dark circles and breakouts. Using a thin layer of Halo Glow mixed in my foundation for added glow. Lightly pressing in powder on my T-zone, then dusting a little all over. Warming up my cheekbones with a little bronzer. Adding blush, light layers to build up color. Highlighting with a highlight that has a gold sheen. Melting down the powders. Framing the bottom lash line. Adding gold for a pop of shine. Since I tinted my brows, I don't feel the need to do more than use a clear gel wax. Framing my eyes with a black liner. Using my favorite mascara. This is when you'd pop on a false lash, but I don't have any subtle ones to suit the look. I paired this look with a berry tone gloss. You could do a nude or a red, but I went with something in the middle. Thank you, Rita, for suggesting this look. I hope you love it.